Hey guys, my name is Rain. Today I'm going to show you my newest mango squishy, and I'm going to show you all my squishies. I'm going to be doing paper squishies, and this is how my mango squishy looks like. I'm going to be doing more paper squishies. Like, I'm going to do paper squishies. I don't want to take this to school because they banned slime, which they banned squishies because slime is like kind of the same thing as squishies. But this is the real. So in the next video, I'm gonna be making real food versus squishies. So, like, I don't know. Real food versus squishies. Probably I'm going to make that video. So, real food. It's hard. It's just not slurring. You have to eat it. And this, it's soft. It is slurring. It's soft. And you cannot eat it. And it's not real mango. It is squishy. That is a fruit. So yeah, and yeah, I'm going to show you how to make an envelope squishy, which is easy peasy lemon squeezy. After this video, I'm going to show you how to make it. So this is one of my newest squishies, and this is the only one I have now because I lost all my squishies that I had in my book bag, but bucket. So yeah, bucket, and I'm like, I hope this up. So what squishy I have now? I had jumbos in there. I had mini ones like an ice cream, a panda. I don't even want to remember. So this is the squishy I have. Whoa! I have it. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.